How to make and take phone calls with Google Nest Mini. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you make hand-free phone call or with Google Nest Mini. To make hand-free phone call with Google Nest Mini, you'll need to use voice command like Hey Google call contact call or mention in the contact name after setting up your preferred call method like Google Meet or mobile call within the Google Home app. Here's how you could actually set it up. Open the Google Home app on your device, and next thing you want to do is tap on communication and then video and voice apps as well. After which, if applicable, or select your preferred calling method, example mobile calling. And to verify your number and complete the steps, go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt. Then you want to make sure to say Hey Google and then mention in the name of the contact, and or else you could also type in the phone, or else you could also mention in the phone number. And by saying call the certain name, and you could receive Google Meet's call on the Nest speaker or display. To answer, say Google Hey Google, answer the call. And to decline, say Hey Google, decline the call. This is the way you could use Google Nest Mini feature, or you could make a call or you could make and take a phone call. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.